Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off search privacy on your Pinterest app. We will go to turn on this mark or know how we can do that on your Pinterest app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on save, then you come to next window here or Pinterest app here. Then you just go up, you click here on app, then it's going to show for you window like this. Then you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here and you just click here on privacy and data. Then you come here to privacy and data window and you come here to search privacy and you just click here on this color or this mark. Then you click and like you see color is gone. That's means search privacy is turned off now. So that's all now. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.